Welcome back to Early Riser Workshop. You know they say that change is inevitable, and it's so true for the Early Riser Workshop because we're moving. This house and this garage is a rental property, and when I built the structure that is the backdrop for Early Riser Workshop, I knew that someday I'd have to tear it all down and take it with me when I move. Well, now I get that opportunity. So over the coming weeks, you'll see me dismantling the space, moving it to the new home, and setting up a new workshop. I'm rather excited for the challenge, and I'm not sure exactly how the footprint will turn out, so it'll be progress that we can share together. See that I'll be breaking down more than just the storage of my tools, as I have household goods also in the garage. So that's it for now. I'll post new videos as soon as I can. Have fun, stay safe, and I'll see you real soon.